I can talk now. So this is Come Alive. We're doing a tutorial, and this is the very first part of it. So we pretend we are in the moon. Just very slow motion here, and you hold in your paw. It's about 4 of them. We use it. We hear in the music bling, and there's another bling. Do you hear his singing? Eh? So we're gonna do a big one here. Then you walk, right hand, and then come with a big one. Turn to the group, to the other side. We breathe, and it's both hands. Should be your left foot, go down. So you finish here. Hold your, drop the arms to the end. Then you run. Should use your left foot with both arms. And we look into the mirror. In your case, guys, you're looking on the other side. We look in the mirror here. Company. Yeah. Then we turn sharp to the other group, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. You go to the right, we go right as well, and click, 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 and click. Ba-da-ba-boom, ba-da-ba-boom. It's quite fast, I think. Yeah. Da-da-da. Then a little wake up, just a little wake up like this, and you turn over your right shoulder that way, and that's what we filmed before, is the Come Alive, which we did last week. First big Come Alive we do. We walk this way, and you develop it tilt. Develop it tilt, goes like this, look. Wow. Yeah, so your whole body goes back, your whole body hold tight, so we're not going to do slow, as you know. You go boom, then we're going to step, we're going to do a rond de jambe. Yeah? The rond de jambe, that arm stays out, you go back. Step, we're going to do in, out, hit, in and around. There. And we're going to preparation for turning. That's the preparation for turning. We're going to go all the way around, passe, hit, pirouette there. And we're going to land, dropping all the way down. To the left, here, pirouette again. And then you go lean, finish the movement, and lovely. Then we're going to do the piqué, beautiful piqué, really lock those 2 legs here, lock it, and lock it. So you lean over. From here we hop. So hop with a click, yeah? Hop. Good. Kick on your right, kick, ball change, pirouette, slap, breathe. And we're going to do, I can't remember the lyrics, but it's
Come Alive.
Is eyes first? Eyes first, isn't it? Eyes first. So eyes and out. Lovely. Turn around from your left shoulder. Now we do the piqué on your left. Piqué 1, piqué 2, hop. Lovely. Kick on your left. Kick, pirouette. Slap, breathe. So run. With your left, you're going to do eyes, breathe. Come towards your right shoulder, turn around. That's when we do Come Alive. We drum, and drum. Right? Let's try one fast one. Yeah, no one fast one? Everything that we done? Yeah? So we've done a small breathe, and turn around quickly. Big breathe. Come on. We walk, it is developing, tilt. Rond de jambe, right, down and around, and pirouette, right, pirouette, down, finish the whole turn, and 1, 2, 3, 1, pirouette, all the way down, breathe, and piqué, hop, kick, ball change, slap, breathe, eyes open, to the left, right, hop, kickball change, pirouette. Eyes open, run, run, run. Come alive. Boom, 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 boom. So, second part of the routine, the big part. So we did the come and alive, but you can practice it, keep practice. So we're gonna do boom, 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 boom. We all breathe on your left shoulder, left, going back. Turn now, you have the tension to turn that way. Turn this, no, turn this way. Turn that way.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little thing, because you're the only one turning the other way. But yeah, I never told you to turn the right way. So, boom, 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 boom. We go back and turn on your right shoulder. There you are. And then we go up, isn't it? We go up from head to head there. Run to the front. Eyes. Again, hide the fingers, just the eyes. The eyes, you're almost like falling. That look like you're actually falling. Falling there. Then we're going to do the flick flap. Flick flap is touch with the right foot and go up on attitude. Film Natasha on this point. Go Natasha, go flick flapping. Flick flap flap. Come on. Go for it. Back. There, beautiful. Okay, ta-da-da-da. We run to the back. Everybody runs. Again, another one to turn over your right shoulder. Okay? Over your right shoulder there. And you hide your faces. So I never told you to do that, but let's hide your faces to the audience. Yeah, I always said here. So hide your faces there because you're afraid to go outside. Yeah? You cross and you lock the door and you 1, 2, 3 and yeah. So one. Another part of Come Alive. So we are drumming here. We are drumming there, which is very similar to the first part anyway, actually the same. We turn this way, turn on your right shoulder, you breathe. Here you breathe with the right foot, isn't it? Breathe. Then we're going to run this way and we go, come on, come on. It's very strong, yeah? Come on, come on. Around here, and it says dreaming, dreaming. Strong again to the side. Go. Come on, come on. Now this is another different one. You hear, so you're on your ears. You hear the call. So you call it, yeah? And then the music starts growing, really growing. We turn around, and we go crazy. Party time. Our two groups, they face each other. We face each other, and we do the choreography. We play again, we swap places. And when you swap places, the music starts again. You're going to step on your right. It's piqué right. Remember the piqué, yeah? Piqué, piqué, hop, hop. Yeah? So we do that part. We do this with your eyes open. And the music repeats just this part. We go back again. There with your eyes. Open is the grand finale. Lower your arms and cross paths. Cross paths. Jazzy hands. After all the hard work, we're allowed to do jazzy hands. And jazzy hands back. Oh, da-da-da. Try to have these arms a little bit apart there. Jazzy hands. Now, whatever you are, aim the middle bit, the center of the stage. And we just go merge to the end. And we hear second one is strong. Come on.